In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card balance in QuickBooks Online. Reconciling your credit card statements is an essential part of managing your business finances. It helps ensure that your QuickBooks records match your actual credit card transactions, so you can catch any errors, discrepancies, or fraudulent activity early. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident about keeping your accounts accurate and up to date. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation panel, you'll see several options. Click on Accounting. This will open up a new set of tools related to managing your accounts. From here, select the Reconcile tab. This is where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to choose the specific credit card account you want to reconcile. In the Account drop-down menu, select the credit card account you're working with. Make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you manage multiple accounts, so you're reconciling the right set of transactions. Next, grab your credit card statement and locate the ending balance. Enter this balance into QuickBooks exactly as it appears on your statement. Don't round it up or down, precision is key here. Similarly, input the statement's ending date. Again, make sure it matches the statement exactly. Even a small typo here can lead to confusion later. So double-check both the balance and the date for accuracy before moving on. Once everything looks good, click Start Reconciling. This takes you into the reconciliation screen where you'll see a list of transactions recorded in QuickBooks for the selected account. Now, the main task is to match the transactions in QuickBooks to those listed on your credit card statement. Go through your statement line by line and check off each transaction that appears. As you do this, compare the amounts carefully. If something doesn't match, don't panic. This is your chance to investigate and resolve any discrepancies. Look closely at the details of the mismatched entry to figure out what might be causing the issue. If you're having trouble locating a particular transaction, you can use the sorting or filtering tools in QuickBooks to narrow down the list and find it faster. This can save you a lot of time, especially if the transaction list is long. If you discover errors like typos, duplicate entries, or missing transactions, make the necessary corrections. For example, if a transaction was entered incorrectly, update the amount or details to reflect what's on your statement. If something is missing, add it to your records. Your goal here is to make sure everything aligns perfectly. Keep an eye on the running difference displayed at the top of the reconciliation screen. As you match transactions and make adjustments, this difference should gradually decrease. Continue reconciling until the difference reaches 0. This is your confirmation that your QuickBooks records match your credit card statement down to the last cent. Once all transactions are matched and the difference is 0, you're ready to complete the reconciliation. QuickBooks will save your progress and your account will now reflect the reconciled balance. And that's it. Reconciling your credit card balance in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. With a little practice, it'll become a quick and routine part of your financial management. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.